All right, guys, it's Heather here, and I just figured out my workaround for adding a video to an email. I was trying to do it just in our normal email when I go to a contact. I go to send an email, and I was trying to just do it into here, but I figured out I can go over here to Advanced Editor. And when you're on here, there's a lot of, it's super easy, drag and drop. I can add text right into this block here. And then I can come over here, testing video. That's all good. But when you come back over here to content, right here is a video. Of course, you have your core video right inside of here, but I can come here. I'm going to drag this underneath that text. I'm going to add my video URL. I can add YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to paste that right in there. Now you can see I get out. Boom, video's there. So now I'm going to test it and see if that works. Let's see, Heather at socialmarketingnut.com. And I'm going to just do test video. And I'm going to go ahead and send. And let's see what happens. If I can get my emails, let me go to my correct email. And here we go. Oh my gosh, that totally worked. Check this out. Boom. Testing a video. Bam. Now it's just going to take them straight to my YouTube. Of course, you could use Vimeo as well, but I figured out the workaround. Enjoy. Have fun. Chat soon. Bye.